Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Wi-Fi turns off by itself in Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, Network and Internet. Click View Additional Properties. Change to Automatic DHCP. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is forget Wi-Fi password and reconnect. Fourth method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, stop the service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.